Here we present the 5 best lawn mower. Let's get started with the list. Number 1. American Lawn Mower Company. The American Lawn Mower Company 50514 is in the first position in this article as it is one of the cheapest options in this article. And even then it offers a 14-inch cutting width along with a decently powerful 11-amp motor. As a result, you can easily cut a lot of grass at once using this lawn mower. It is a corded lawn mower that requires you to plug it into a wall socket for using it to cut your backyard grass. You also get a 2-year warranty with it. Number 2. GreenWorks 20-inch 12-amp corded electric lawn mower. GreenWorks 250,022 electric lawn mower is in the second position in this article as it offers a powerful 12-amp motor. And this motor offers you with a 20-inch cutting width, which is quite useful for larger lawns. You also get a push-start system in this lawn mower and it is quite easy to use. This lawn mower offers a 7-position height adjustment system with a range of 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch according to your needs and requirements. Number 3. BLACK+DECKER BESTA 512cm electric lawn mower. The BLACK+DECKER BESTA is one of the smallest electric-powered lawn mowers present in this article. It has a 12-inch cutting width that offers a great balance between cutting performance and compactness for easily storing this lawn mower. You also get a cutting height of 1.6 inch to 2.4 inch that can be adjusted as per your requirement. As for its power, it is powered by a 6.5 amp motor that is powered using a power cord. This lawn mower can also be converted between a trimmer and an edger as per your needs and requirements. Number 4. Ego Power Plus 20-inch 56-volt lithium-ion cordless lawn mower. This Ego Power Plus lawn mower comes with an included battery kit for easily using it without needing to plug into a wall socket. It comes with a 56-volt lithium-ion battery that can be easily charged. The included 5.0 Ah battery can be easily charged using the included charger. You get a battery life of up to 55 minutes while using this lawn mower on battery power. Just like other electric mowers out there, this one also offers a push start button. Number 5. Husqvarna LC121 FHFWD lawn mower. You get a 149cc engine in this lawn mower that is quite powerful for easily cutting grass. And all of the grass that you cut using this lawn mower can either be collected in the back bag, or you can side discharge it as per your requirement. This lawn mower offers a 21-inch cutting width along with a cutting height of 1.25 inch to 3.44. In other words, this is one of the best performing lawn mowers available out there.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.